Ramesh sir, shall we start?
Yes.
Good afternoon to all the dignitaries, my fellow colleagues, researchers, and all the participants of this 5-day faculty development program on data analysis using SPSS organized by the Department of Business Management, Mahatma Gandhi University, in collaboration with AICTE Training and Learning Academy. I, Dr. Shweta, on behalf of MGU, welcome you all to this valedictory session. Creation and dissemination of knowledge through research is one of the core functions of higher education institutions. As a researcher, one wants to find the solution to the problem identified. Yes, it is important to get the results in a research, but most important is the process in getting the results. In understanding the process, it is essential for a researcher to have the knowledge of analysis. As said by Einstein, the only source of knowledge is experience. So, to give hands-on experience on data analysis using SPS, Software Statistical Package for Social Sciences, this FDP is planned to train and develop the faculties involved in social science research. This 5-day FDP conducted from 20th October to 24th October of 2021 was organized as per the directions and guidelines of Atal Academy. From the feedback from the participants, I proudly say this FDP proved to be an eye-opening session for beginner and middle-level researchers and also aimed at imparting the skills required to handle the data and also the entire process of analyzing the data. This FDP intended to orient participants towards analyzing their research data, paying due attention to every stage of research. This session were handled by professors and industry personnel from reputed institutions and industry. The FDP was attended by more than 70 participants, faculty members from commerce, business management, social sciences, and research scholars from all the corners of India. With the permission of the chair, a brief note on this 5-day journey. The program was inaugurated in the morning of 20th of October and was graced by Professor C.H. Gopal Reddy Garu, Vice Chancellor of Mahatma Gandhi University. The first day took its elegance with the talk by Professor M. Yadagiri Garu, who gave an overall view of the research and questionnaire design. The third session of day 1 was handled by Dr. Ramesh Kumar Miryala, who introduced our participants about data and data analysis. On day 2, our participants are introduced to the software SPSS and its basic operations, where the journey of hands-on experience started with the explicit instructions by Dr. Ramesh Kumar Miryala. On the post-lunch session of day 2 comes the mystery of statistics. The parametric and non-parametric tests were effectively handled by Mr. G.N. Satish Kumar with his expertise and confidence. The speaker sessions was continued even to the 2 sessions of day 3. He handled non-parametric tests and factor analysis on day 3. All his sessions were hands-on experience to the participants with the material resources provided by the speaker. And to care for the emotional well-being of the participants in this pandemic session on yoga and meditation by Ms. Katyayani Reddy from IIT Madras is organized. This session was organized on day 3. The 3 sessions of day 4 were handled by Dr. Parul Kumar, which were on EMOS, Introduction and measurement model analysis, and structural model analysis, who amazed our participants with her deep subject knowledge and her teaching skills. The first session of day 5 was handled by Dr. Shankar Reddy Kolle, which was about accessing open e-resources. And this 5-day FDP ended with a wonderful session on writing quality articles for Scopus, Web of Science FT50, and other high-index journals by Professor Pacha Malayadriga. All the sessions were very informative. The discussed topics are of great benefit to the participants, as the topics are the need of the hour for the research. And after receiving an overwhelming response from the participants about the sessions and the speakers, this 5-day FDP on data analysis using SPSS came to an end with this valedictory session. Before asking the response from the participants, I would like to thank Honorable Vice Chancellor of Mahatma Gandhi University, Professor C.H. Gopal Reddy Garu, and our Registrar, Professor Vishnudev Garu, for permitting us to organize this session, this program, and our sincere thanks to Professor Chennappa Garu, Dean Faculty of Management, and Dr. V. Sarita Garu, Chairman Board of Studies, and Dr. Ramesh Kumar Miryala, Head of the Department of Business Management, and all the faculty members and the research scholars for their constant support throughout the program. I also thank AICTE for this initiative to improve the competencies of the faculties. At last, I thank even our enthusiastic participants of this program who made this 5-day program very lively. There is a saying, if you are not learning every day, you need to find a better way to learn it. Spend your day. By saying this, I assume these 5 days are spent wisely by the participants and took most of it. May I now request any of the participants to speak a few words about your experience about the program.
Hello.
Yes, sir. Professor Paresh, sir. Yes.
Yes, sir. The program was very well. It was very new edition, and it provided a good idea that how we can go on statistical tool using the today's technology. Being our own time, we did it manually, so it gives a very wise idea about that. Another one point I found in this examination, there's something I've been going against in this examination paper against the original concept. Like in a question of number 4, Kuskam, the system is saying that it should be comparing. But actually the Kuskal and Vanish tests are being based on the ordinal data. So ordinal data cannot have the means. I am basically a 1994 doctorate, okay? Joined in 1989, completed in 94. So I know the conceptually. Few of the, I suggest that when you evaluate the everyone sheet, be careful, and resource person or say Dr. Ramesh sir and other committee members who seriously look into the answer sheet. The Kuskal Vanish is one of the points which has come to my mind. In the same way, I came to the another 1 or 2 questions which I already put up into the chat box. So my humble request to one of you that instead of to directly going towards taking the decision, just look towards the particular system, okay? Because when it is said that the Kuskal Vanish test, so it's a non-parametric test. And that Kuskal Vanish test is basically coming on the ordinal database. So when it is coming to the ordinal database, how the mean can be calculated? So compare the mean cannot be possible. Another, I think I have given you the point of the question number 10 or 11 something in the earlier place. I don't know where it has gone from my chat box. Yes, question number name. Doing the question number 10. How many times I will just come to you? Okay. Question number 10. Ma'am yesterday said very categorically that 5 times should be minimum. So I have given the answer 5 to 6. 4 to 5 cannot be possible because minimum 5 was said. Same way it happened.
Same with me, sir. Same with me, sir. Okay, it's 5 to 6 times. Even I have given 5 to 6 times.
1 minute.
And it should be right,
Madam,
actually.
I am just saying. Yes, Madam, I am just saying that I am a very old time. I am not young like you, so that I know the computer better way. But I know the theoretical research analysis much more better way. Because I passed out in 1994 my doctorate when computers were under the invention stage. They don't notice also. We were using the 1, 2, 3 and word style. Okay.
Sir,
So
let
we need
sir, 1 minute,
yes, sir.
1 minute,
Net,
please. So whatever
yes,
points
Ramesh,
you have
sir.
raised, I already noted. I once again discussed
Sorry,
with
sir.
the paper setter.
To talk negative.
Whatever points you have raised, right?
Pursue.
I have already noted. I have already replied to your message in the chat box long time back, and I will be
Okay.
sharing the same thing with
No
the
problem.
paper setter who happens to be resource person for the session, and I will
No
get back to
problem,
you. I
sir.
will do needful. Don't
One,
worry about it. I said I will take care about it, sir.
no
Don't worry
problem.
about it. Right? Right? And
Okay.
please
Thank you
give
very much,
advice
sir.
about how to conduct. Had we conducted
Because
exactly the way you have expected or not? That is more
nicely,
important for us. Anything we
extra,
needs to include,
extra.
right? Anything we
No,
needs to
sir.
include in the
Extraordinary. No,
that
sir.
please advise, sir.
Everything
Paper
was.
related to it,
No, sir.
I will discuss with the paper resource person who has addressed the session. I will do the needful what you are expecting, right? Don't worry about it.
No problem. So
Yes,
the very
fine. Thank you.
important point is that at my
Yeah,
age of superannuated age, I'm capable enough because I have the good exposure of SPSS 21. But the way I understood, I was not aware about some function, which are very nicely I understand that how I can support my research scholars to do it.
yeah.
So I'm very happy to see within 2 minutes the result of the test. So the way program is conducted, extraordinary and highly valuable. Every day I used to say it's an excellent session, and my phone diary have been packed with this my writing. Okay,
Thank you,
with
sir.
my phone diary I wrote so many things that how to do. So it's an extraordinary needle.
Thank you so
I'm
much, sir.
not capable enough to go for some copy from the screen or something. So I used to be right now. But
Yeah.
extraordinary program is success.
Thank you,
Thanks
sir.
for your support and allowing me to be part of this program. Thank you very
You're
much, sir.
welcome, sir. You're welcome, sir. Thank you. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much. I request any other participants to share your views about the faculty development program.
So can I go ahead?
Yeah,
Yes.
please, please. You're
Yeah.
welcome.
Very good afternoon to all of you. And I just wanted to say that the FDP was awesome, and it was not only one session, sir, because all the 3 days, especially Ramesh sir, Satish sir, Parul ma'am, all of them were so elaborate, and they all went from the basics to the advanced. It was not that they were assuming us to know certain things. They explained in a very slow pace, so the pace was very good. You know, we could connect to you, and you all the speakers were open for the queries in between. You know, because when we attend the FDPs, they say we'll take the queries at the end, and when they take the queries at the end, we just forget and we are lost in between. So that was one part which was done by all the speakers. And a special thanks to Ramesh sir, because we do understand that it is not only 3 or 5 days hard work. Your work must have started back 4 or 5 months from the time you present the proposal and all that. So special thanks to sir for arranging everything, and all the coordinators who have made this FDP so smooth for all of us, and making such valuable resource person available for all of us, because it would have not been possible for us to individually interact and take their guidance. So just wanted to thank every one of you, sir. Thank you, ma'am. Thank you,
Thank you,
sir.
ma'am. Thank you.
Can I, madam?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Very good afternoon, one and all. This is Anuradha, Assistant Professor Mahatma Gandhi University. I would like to thanks to Ramesh sir, why because for giving this opportunity for attending the program. Why? Because this program is very much helpful to all the faculty, not only management faculty, is all department of faculty and research scholars especially. Why? Because in the first day, Professor Yadgiri sir gave the basics of research. It is very much helpful for all the research scholars and who are guiding the research scholars also. And Ramesh in a second day, Ramesh give the basics of data analysis. This is very much helpful for statistics. Whoever doesn't know about the statistics subject also is very much helpful that. And Satish sir is very much is a very knowledgeable subject how to utilizing the SPSS nowadays. So why? Because in every faculty is a must and should to utilizing the SPSS for the research purpose, right? So especially Satish sir give the presentation, and especially his patience is very much helpful for the to know a lot of subject at that. And not only 3 days classes, all the classes are very much helpful for the to enhance the knowledge for the faculty and especially myself. So that's why I'm again and give the thanks to Ramesh sir and also all the organizers. Thank you very much, sir, for giving the opportunity.
Thank you, ma'am.
Yeah.
Yes, sir, Anand sir. And
Good evening, madam. Dr. Ramesh Kumar sir, and Shweta madam, the dignitaries, and Dr. Anand, associate professor from Pondicherry University. I thank the organizers, the Mahatma Gandhi University, for conducting a good program like FDP on SPSS. Very resource persons are good in their teaching, carrying out their doubts by the participants and clearing the doubts, whatever they are asking. My request is, when you are conducting the next program, please make it that half-day session is for theory and a half-day session is for practical. It's like a hands-on experience. So that will be fetching learners. So from the beginners to the advanced. So though we attend many programs, but hands-on experience are missing for us. So I hope next time Ramesh Kumar sir will be doing the next FDP on hands-on experience. Whatever the program, whether it may be SEM or SPSS or the other events, where practicals comes, make it theory in the morning session and practical in the afternoon session. Thank you. Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
thank you, sir. Sir, there is a request in the chat box from Mr. Pawan Kumar asking me to read this message loud. I'm going ahead. Requesting Sweta madam to please read this loud. Unable to talk cause mic is not working. Myself, Pawan Kumar, from research scholar from Adikavi Nannaya University, Rajamahendravaram. I just want to say one word, fabulous. Firstly, thanks to Ramesh sir. Previously, I have many doubts. With this session, I got the best idea of all the research process. Thanks to everyone, and especially Ramesh Kumar sir and Parul Kumar madam. This was the feedback from Mr. Pawan Kumar sir. Any more participants would like to share? Okay. So I am proceeding further. May I now request our seminar director, Dr. M. Sri Lakshmi madam, Principal, University College of Commerce and Business Management, to address the participants.
Very good evening to one and all. Respected Honorable Vice Chancellor, Professor C.H. Gopal Reddy Garu, respected Registrar, Dev Garu, Dean, Department of Management Studies, Professor Chennappa Garu, Vice Chairman, Dr. Sarita, Senior Faculty Alwala Ravi, Head of the Department, Dr. Ramesh Kumar, and fellow colleagues. First, I congratulate all the organizing committee, particularly Dr. Midyala Ramesh Kumar, for organizing 5-day FDP program sponsored by Atal Academy. Hearty congratulations to the entire team for successfully organizing this minute-to-minute program and made it as a grand success. I would like to thank all the resource persons whoever contributed their knowledge and shared among the participants as well as other resource persons. That means interconnective and they're able to exchange their views, opinions to help the participants, not only the research scholars, but the teaching faculty who are able to do much more research for their scholars as well as scholars who can complete their research program. So I think each participant must have enriched their knowledge to do their research and to write articles in a future endeavor. With this small message, I thank organizing committee for giving me opportunity to be a program director for this Atal FDP program. I thank Shweta for introducing and connected for the FDP program throughout. Lakshmi Prabha, especially for inaugural session, she has also helped and contact with me to proceed for further. So, one and all, what I would like to say is the programs will be conducted continuously by Ramesh sir in the same field, data analysis by using SPSS. As and when you have a chance and opportunity, keep in touch. Not necessary Atal Academy sponsor program. He will be able to guide you, maybe personally or maybe as a resource person. You can invite him for the resource person. He will be able to be ready to organize any such programs and seminars and conferences at your colleges or at your university. With this small message, I thank one and all for giving me opportunity. Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am. May I now request the program coordinator, Dr. Ramesh Kumar Midyala, to address the participants with a vote of thanks.
Good evening. The president of today's valedictory session, Dr. Srilakshmi Garu, Principal of University College of Commerce and Business Management, Mahatma Gandhi University, and also the FDP Director, the Honorable Vice Chancellor of the University, Professor C.H. Gopal Reddy sir, Registrar of Mahatma Gandhi University, Professor Vishnu Dev sir, Professor Chennappa, Dean, Faculty of Commerce and Business Management, Mahatma Gandhi University, Chairman Board of Studies, Dr. Sarita Madam, and other colleagues from the department, Dr. Ravi sir, Dr. Ramna Reddy, Dr. Lakshmi Madam, Dr. Sweta Madam, Dr. Sabina Madam, Dr. Suresh Reddy, Dr. Pravalika, Dr. Anuradha, Mr. John, Dr. Swapna, Dr. Jyoti, and Dr. Anand from Pondicherry University, and all other participants. A good evening to one and all. I wholeheartedly thank Professor C.H. Gopal Reddy sir, who is the Vice Chancellor of our university, the man behind every teacher and student of the university, and he is the constant inspiration and motivation for the conduct of such kind of programs. He has supported us in many ways, and because of his support only, we could organize this Atal Faculty Development Program at our university. And I also thank Professor Vishnu Dev sir, our registrar, who is the moral support and also the guide for the successful conduct of this workshop. For any request placed before him, he always encouraged us and been backbone to us. And special thanks to the AICT Training and Learning Academy for sanctioning this FDP. This is the third FDP being organized by our department. There's one more FDP is there the next month. We will be sharing the brochure about that too in the WhatsApp groups. And my special appreciation to all the resource persons, especially Professor M. Yadgiri sir, Mr. G. N. Satish Kumar, Dr. Parul Kumar, Dr. Shankar Reddy, Professor Maryadi sir, who have been generous in accepting our request to deliver the subject and having dealt it sincerely. All these resource persons are best in the class and made the purpose fulfilled. This program cannot be successful without the involvement of participants. Your enthusiasm has inspired us to make it more qualitative. Though it is a virtual one, we felt we were together and had learning experience. All the participants were mature enough and used the mics aptly, and there was absolutely no disturbance in the conduct of the workshop. For this, I appreciate every one of you. My special thanks to Principal Madam, Dr. Ravi sir, and all the members who have coordinated with me, especially Lakshmi Prabha Madam, Sweta Madam, John Paul, and Dr. Biksham from Physics Department, and all the research scholars of the department for their relentless support in making this program a success. My best wishes to each and every participant, and learning should go on, and happy learning. Thank you, one and all.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir. Participants, regarding the feedback, you need to log in into the Atal website, and there you need to click on this data analysis using SPSS. Feedback form will be there. You need to fill the feedback form, and after we will be submitting your marks. After one working day, you will be able to download your certificate. Am I clear?
Okay, ma'am.
Feedback form will be directly, you have to fill the feedback form in the Atal website itself, sir. Atal portal. And you have to wait for one working day to download the certificate. But it is better for you to download the certificate in the system rather than in the mobile, as it might be a problem to download the certificate in the mobile. You can download the certificate in the system.
Feedback was filled, madam.
Okay, thank you. Any more queries, participants? Ramesh sir, shall we conclude?
Yes.
I thank all the participants and I wish you all the viewers. You all can leave the meeting. Please log into Atal website and fill the feedback form to download the certificate.
Thank you, madam. Thank you, sir.
Thank you.